You are going to love the 2018 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, compass, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.